Gulfstream Park. This is the village area. This is a thoroughbred horse racing venue. They have a couple of world-class horse racing or equestrian events a year, and it's a nice event area. Excuse me. This is right over the border of Miami-Dade County, so we're in Broward County. We're up the street from Aventura Mall, where I was earlier in the day. Okay. Before a horse race, they usually would have the horse parade around this area here, so the bettors can look for whatever is important to them. As you can see, they have telecast with other watching the Dolphins game. Okay, the Dolphins are playing in Germany today. Okay, let's walk through, and so I suspect if you want to bet, I suspect, because I've never done it, if you want to bet, you can electronically place your bet here. There's the monitors. So we're going to walk through and actually see if there is going to be a race soon. Okay.
She's a huge threat. I'm going to show you the replay we have it in mind. Cheryl's in this replay. She's out of this race. We lost a few kind of keeping Russell replay coming up too as well. But the point is, here's having in mind three-wheel around the lead. She's going to run off. She basically just brings this field out. Now there's a lot of speed in this race. She was really, really good winning this race. She actually got tangled here on the far turn. She might end up kicking clear late. I thought this was a pretty polished performance. What I like from her today is that she's outside of all the other speeds. She's good at it.
Okay. Not too far from the area I live, there's a number of horse farms in Davie, Florida, in Sunshine Ranches, Florida. So let's take a look at the actual track. So here's the infield. So you hear all the horse jargon.
Today, the feature is race number 8. We're going 5.5 on the Tapeta. It's an optional claim for 3 and up. Unfortunately, we got some scratches in here. 3 Cajun Brother. The 5, that's a fact, Jack. And my best bet, and your best bet too, Felix out. So we're going to go with a field of 6 in here. And I think it's not surprising now. We're kind of sort of all over the place with with the scratches. You're back with Team Cassie and DJ with the two, highly flammable.
Yeah, I am. I think this horse has just a lot of class compared to this field here. He's a gelded son of Munnings. Love that. Munnings can be a bit hard, just kind of a heavier horse. And the fields that he was facing, look at the Saratoga race, this horse ran exceptionally well. And even when you look at the race where it's a yielding turf horse, probably, it says it's an 18 variant. I promise you it was more than that. I don't trust that at all. This is a huge relief here. And
Just a
back to the
perspective
team
of where we are.
Look, 2 of the 3 wins
Probably 1 block from here is Miami-Dade County.
The horse that blasted him 2 back.
That area where you see those high rises, many of those high rises are going to be on the beachfront. The Atlantic Ocean is probably maybe a mile, half a mile from here. Okay, this is facing North and Broward.
Joe scratches out yesterday to run here. We're not in for a tag. Extendo. I mean, Extendo is the house horse for these ones.
Let's see.
Yes, he's very impressive, but he was in 5.
Pepperoni pizza, cheese, pizza, hot dog, pretzels, popcorn. No, nothing for me now. So people are leisurely spending their morning here. I'm going to
Royal Louie's okay for Ken. He might be looking up at this group, but he might trip out of here too.
That's the thing. I think he could really
pause for a minute.
Squeezy saw him back in the paddock.